Hello, this is Veer Bahadur Singh, physics science teacher. I'm going to teach you class 8. Topic is force and pressure. This is the part 2. Last time we have discussed about the force and the pressure, definitions and other things related to force and pressure. Today now we will be continuing this session, the force and the pressure. First one is thing. First I would show you the type of forces. I have also already told you that forces are of two types. The first one is the contact force and the second one is the non-contact force. Contact force, as you know, the contact force is the type of force which is created with the contact of two or more objects. The examples of contact forces are the muscular forces and the frictional forces. Now let us understand what is the muscular force. The muscular force is a type of force which use our physical strength to change the state of the motion of an object. Such the examples of the muscular forces are pulling a cart of load, cycling, weighing, lifts. And the second one is the frictional force. This is a kind of force that creates by the friction, which comes between the surface and the other surface. Examples: a ball rolling by the ground surface and eventually it comes to halt. This is due to the frictional forces. Now let us discuss what is the non-contact forces. Forces comes without the contact or two or more involvements. Examples of the contact forces are the magnetic force and the gravitational forces. Magnetic force is the force that attracts certain metal objects like iron and filings towards a magnet. Second one is gravitational force. The force act by the earth towards the other objects. It is due to the gravity of the earth. And third one is the electrostatic force. Is the force exerted by a charged body to on another charged body. The electrostatic force. Now we will discuss the effect of the forces. Force, as you know, the force can force can change the speed of the object and also can change the direction of the motion, like batsman hitting a ball very hardly and safe. Also can change the shape of the objects. When elastic is pulled, it breaks. Force can also move an object from rest to state the motion. So these are the effect which is created by the force. As you know, as you are looking a very a very beautiful diagram which is indicated there. There are two cases. First one is case force F1 and F2 is applied in the same direction, and second one is the case second where forces F1 and F2 are applied on the opposite direction. Now from the above discussion we can understand the characteristics of the forces. In case first, magnitude of forces F1 in the direction of the forces from left to right. In second case, F1 F2 is applied oppositely. So if the direction of the forces is the same, the object will move towards the left, toward the right. And if the forces are opposite, the object will move towards the greater force, F1 or F2. And if the force is equal, F1 is equal to the net force of the object is 0 and the object does not move in any direction. So this is all about the characteristics of the forces. And now we will discuss the pressure exerted by the liquids and the gases. Liquids and the gases. Liquid also exert pressures in all the directions. You're also seen in the case of a fountain or taps or pipes when becomes leaks. In that case, the water is comes out with a pressure. And also gases also exert pressure in all directions. When you hold a fully balloon inflated balloon, that does not balloon not break and releasing all the air from inside. And also atmosphere also exert pressure. This is known as the atmospheric pressure. The value of the pressure is very high. So this is all about the pressure of liquids, gases, and types of forces. I hope you will enjoy this session, and share this video. Keep watching our video on YouTube and share. Okay.